どこでもアート
Start by wrapping the wire around your pencil like it's a magic. Make sure the wire doesn't get all tangled up. Make it tidy. Once you're done, gently slide the pencil out. Now grab both ends and stretch it out slowly. It's straw cutting time. Get your scissors ready. Cut super carefully, making tiny pieces, like little beads. Stick one end of the straw to the paper cup. Now, thread the straw through, drop each piece in like you're building a tower. Mix and match the straws by color, create a rainbow pattern. Keep threading those straws through like you're making a fun necklace. Now, attach another cup to the other end just like before. Ta-da! You did it! Now, get creative. Draw awesome pictures and decorate the cups. Don't toss those leftover straws. Stick them around the cups for a super cool decoration. Now flip it over and start playing. Fold it, twist it, and make it move. What fun shapes can you make? Find the one that makes you smile. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.